Hey, this is Cody from IT Vision. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to select courses for your student to complete in the IT Learning Portal. Let's get started. I'm here on the home screen of the IT Learning Portal and I'm logged in with an instructor account. Now to choose your student's course, what we're going to do is scroll down to Course Library. Once we're on the course library, you're going to notice that you have an active course. That's the last page, the last course that you are in. And then below that, you're going to see all courses. The first question you need to ask yourself is, what screen reader will I be using with my student? Will I be using NVDA with a Windows PC? Will I be using JAWS with a Windows PC? Or will I be using Chromevox with a Chromebook? Those are your three options. I'll be using Chromevox today. So under all courses, I'll select Chromevox. Once you've chosen your screen reader, you can now choose your course. As you scroll down, you'll see your list of courses. If your student is new to screen readers, I would recommend starting with Screen Reader Basics. Not only will you learn how to turn on that screen reader, open and close programs, all that basic stuff, but Screen Reader Basics will also teach you how to use the IT Learning Portal with a screen reader. Really important stuff. You can also choose one of our other foundations courses, either working with text, how to read, write, and edit text, maybe like completing assignments or editing documents. You can also choose basic internet navigation if you're trying to get your student to access things like Canvas or Schoology or Google Classroom. Internet navigation is the way to go. Or if you're trying to connect a braille display to your student's device, you can choose diving into braille displays. All of the foundations courses are designed for students who are beginning screen reader users. Once you choose your student's course, you'll get to the course homepage. That's where you'll see information like the course description, what screen reader you chose, what level is it at, how long will it take to do this course. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different topics that will be included in this course. If you're ready to start, you can click on Begin Course, and you should start at the very first page. And that, in a nutshell, is how to choose the course that you want to start with your student here in the IT Learning Portal. If you have any questions, remember to click that Help button up in the top right corner, or you can email us at info@itvision.org. I'll see you next time.